What are you guys doing?
I did it by myself.
Oh, good job.
There's my baby on.
You gonna turn your baby on?
Mommy.
Oh,
Mommy.
mommy. Are you her mommy?
Mom. Why are you holding the camera?
Because I'm gonna film a video today, okay? We're gonna organize your bedroom today because look at this. Okay, guys, this is the current situation in Micah Jr.'s bedroom. He just has toys everywhere. Nothing is like organized. He shoves all his toys under there. Don't mind his bed. We just got this new bed yesterday. So I ordered him a new mattress and sheets and everything. So that should be in a couple days. Here's all his books. All his books are pretty organized. But we have to find places for all these toys, Micah. Olive, did you have an accident?
Yeah.
We are currently potty training you, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? And you accidentally peed the bed?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to have to put these things in the washer, okay? Okay, I'm going to make banana muffins for breakfast, okay?
Okay,
What?
can we eat some?
Yes, after I make them, okay?
And let's see the rest.
Okay, guys, so I'm going to show you how I make our coffee. It's kind of like we make a white mocha, but at home. So first I like to take the cup and then pour this vanilla syrup. It's the vanilla. And I just do like 2 pumps. In the bottom, just like that, just like 1 squeeze. And then I pour some milk about halfway filling the cup. And then I'm going to use this to froth it. And then I froth it. And the muffins are out after 19 minutes. I didn't show you guys how I make those because I have a video on this recipe already on my channel. I will put the link in the bottom bar. Hey guys, so it's a little bit later in the day and I'm so excited because my husband took the kids to Home Depot, both of them, so I'm in the house by myself. Oh my gosh, this like literally never happens for me, so I'm like super excited. It's kind of embarrassing, but I wanted to show you. So I still haven't organized Micah's room or anything. He's taking them to Home Depot to find what colors Micah wants for these little drawers. I'll show you in a second. Let me flip you around. Those little drawers underneath the bed. I think he wants to paint the frame of the bed like a matte black because this furniture here is black and then this one here is like a brown, but I think black furniture would look good in here, and he can always paint this with the matte black as well. But he's going to paint the frame matte black, like this part. And then the drawers, he wants to paint like a light blue, a light orange, and maybe like a light green. We're waiting for his mattress to come in. I think they said it's going to come in around Wednesday, and it's Sunday right now, so it's going to take a couple days. But we're excited for that. It's crazy that like this bed is so much bigger than his other bed. It's like he's growing up too fast. But I look a little crazy right now. I wanted to put some makeup on. Okay, so I finished up with my makeup. I just did a pretty simple look. I did a matte eye base with a shimmery inner corner highlight. And I just put on some lashes. These lashes are really pretty. They're from House of Lashes. The mini wispies. The kids are back. Here's Olive. Micah, say hi.
Hi.
My husband took all these out from under there. He's out I'll show you. He's out in the backyard now painting them. So he's out here painting them right now. He has the light blue one. Hopefully it doesn't rain. It's gonna look good when it's all done. Okay guys, so the kids are sleeping and now look at all this mess. I'm about to tackle this, all these dishes, wash them. Oh my gosh, wish me luck. Okay guys, so here is the finished result. I got all of the dishes pretty much clean. I got it all down to just a little bit left in the sink, but the water started to get cold and the dry rack is full. Everything is pretty much clean, thank goodness, and I sweep the floors.
Morning.
What are you having for breakfast, Olive?
Toast.
You're having some toast?
Yes. And I put on it.
And there's butter on there?
Yeah.
Yummy. What was in your bowl over here?
It's a grapes.
Were they grapes?
Yeah. No, it was blueberries.
Blueberries. You did. You had blueberries. You ate them fast, huh?
I went for my toast.
Yeah, you were waiting for your toast.
Yeah.
Good
I
job.
don't want to eat it. I don't want to eat it. Yeah, just put it in.
What's in your drink? What's your drink?
Ew.
What is it?
This is in there.
What's the drink?
Kombucha.
Kombucha?
Yeah, kombucha.
Do you like kombucha?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't want to sit this and go in.
You don't like the little floaty thing in there?
No.
She thinks it's so weird, the bacteria that floats in the kombucha. It's not gonna get you. It's okay.
It won't?
No, it's good for you. All right, let's finish our breakfast, okay?
Okay.
And then you can help me clean Micah's room.
Okay. And
You gonna help Mama?
yeah, and I will help Mama. And Daddy says this for dinner.
Oh, you want to save that for Daddy?
Yeah.
Okay. Good job. It's the next day. Today is Monday. So I just dropped Micah off at school. And now we're just, me and Olive are home. We're just eating breakfast. And then I'm going to try to organize Micah's room while he's at school. Because I just think it'll be easier that way. And then maybe I can pick through toys that he doesn't play with anymore and set them to the side or something. So I'm just going to eat breakfast and probably make some coffee. And then I will get back to you guys when we're in Micah's room. Okay guys, so this is the storage containers that we have. So Micah has three. There's three of these and they're really big. They can fit a lot of stuff in there. And then this is what the blue looks like. It looks really cute. My husband hasn't painted the other ones yet, but he's going to paint those later. I'm just going to put everything, try to organize everything. And then we got these things here. This is like a Lego storage. And he can build on top of here too. And then you can open it up and store Legos inside. And then we got this bin that has 3 different drawers. This one has 2 of these little trays. So I could put all of his little tiny Legos in here and like organize them by color or something. I'm not really sure how I want to do it yet. I don't think I want to get too organized because I know he'll just mess it up. And then we also have, he has 6 of those little, what do you call those? Little box things. So we'll have to organize whatever's in there too. Alright, let's just get started, I guess. Look at this drawer right here. There are so many different things in here. There's an old dirty tissue in here, gloves, a snowman, a book. He has so many things. This is going to take a while. Here you go. Put that in there.
Okay.
Okay guys, so this is the progress that I've made so far. I have to leave pretty soon to get Micah from school, but I built his little crane thing here that he has. I haven't put any Legos away yet, but the floor is clear. His bookshelf is pretty organized. There's some Legos and things on top that I have to put away. And then I cleared everything underneath that little table. Inside this container, I filled it with all of his different like dart guns and lightsabers, swords, stuff like that. And I put, Olive put these little remote control cars in here. But I put all of his different bullets for his dart guns in bags. So I have like all the same ones. Same ones in the bags, just to keep it kind of more organized. Okay, let's close it. Watch your toes. Oh, and then here I have just a couple random, this is his nightlight, but I have this here, and it's just like a little Lego boat. And then I have his cars. Hang on, Olive, wait, honey. I have his cars in here with car tracks, like little Hot Wheels. And I have this, this is a Hot Wheel track that his dad knows how to set up, so I'll have him do that later.
Legos.
Here's Legos for the Lego boat. Okay, next one. And then in this drawer, I put all of his different Transformers in there. That one is just like a random miscellaneous drawer. This one is all their different magnetic shapes, and they have like a book of how to build a bunch of things. And then the last one is all his like masks and stuff like that. Kind of like another miscellaneous drawer. I think I'm going to set you guys up and then start putting some Legos away in the Lego bins that I got, because he has a whole bunch of different sets of Legos. He has like all these little ones that I might just keep in the box for now. I don't know what to do. It's just too much. Too much to handle. But he has all these other Legos in here. Like I have this little closet space, and it's like all their toys and games and stuff in here too. So he has this bin full of Legos. He has this little Tupperware full of small Legos. So what I think I'm going to do is just, this drawer here comes with a little tray separator. So I think I'm going to put different colors. Let's put blues in here. Can you put blue? Put yellow here. Look, we're all done.
No, for more.
No, that's just part of the Tupperware. And good job. Okay, so we got the Legos all set up.
Yeah.
Most of them. We still have this other Tupperware full, but when we bring Micah home back from school, we will organize that last Tupperware. Yep. All gone. See? Hooray.
Ooh-wee.
Okay, so this is the finished product. Everything is clean. I just vacuumed. All his things are organized. I just put his Legos up over here on the table so they won't be on the floor. Micah, how do you like your room?
Good.
You like it? Mm-hmm. Is it so nice and clean?
Yes, it's pretty too.
And it's pretty?
And
now you know where all your stuff is, huh? I love you.
Love you.
Thanks, Olive, for helping.
Yeah, welcome.
You're a good helper. Okay, so I put all his Legos here, and these are the ones that he already has built, so I let him keep them up there. And then this drawer with the organizers, here, I'll take it out just to show you guys. So I have them all organized just by color in each little compartment, and all of his Legos fit in there, surprisingly. And then I have this extra tray in case he needs to add any more. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.